She's the cutest little shark that you will ever see. Baby Grub, she likes to be cuddled when she feels sickly. There's no place she'd rather be than wrapped up safe and warm. Baby Grub, she likes to be happy with her family. There's no place she'd rather be than with them here at home. Baby Grub is the cutest little shark you'll meet. Baby Grub is so lovely, she's so sweet. Baby Grub is fun to be with underneath the sea. She's the cutest little shark that you will ever see. Baby Grub, she likes to be in her bed when she's sleepy. There's no place she'd rather be than tucked up safe in bed.